Hello and welcome. If this is your first time joining me, I'm Tiekka and this is Everyday Ballet, where we bring gorgeous, authentic ballet principles, training, and style to everyday life. You don't need to be a dancer, you don't need to have a dancer's body, you don't need to know anything about ballet. I'm here to show you how to bring ballet's grace and power into your life. In this video, we have a posture exercise that is the posture exercise that I do every day. And when I'm teaching in the studio, we always do it before we start our ballet bar. This is really something that if you take just a few minutes each morning to do it, will strengthen your posture and really transform how you carry yourself. So I really hope you'll enjoy this. Remember, if you do, please like, subscribe, share, and if you'd like to learn some more ballet with me, definitely check out my ballerina body programs over at everydayballet.com. They really will take you from the very beginning on up through intermediate, point prep, and beyond. And it's just a really structured, wonderful, compassionate, adult-centered way to learn authentic ballet technique. I am so delighted you're here. Let's ballet. The single most transformative thing you can do for your body is to get that good posture going. So this is the exercise to help you do that. So for this posture exercise, we're just going to be standing, and we're going to be standing with the toes facing forward just outside of the hips. Now the important thing here is that as we go along, we keep hugging into our lower core. So before we begin, just take your hands on your lower core, take a nice big breath in and inflate the lower core. And as you exhale, try to hug in this area. You'll feel your hands go in a little bit. Now, right here, try to soften the neck. This is what we're trying to do as we go along. We want to make sure that we keep using our core because that is what supports the length on the spine. All right, so breathing in. On the exhale, press down through the feet, hug in through the lower core, spread out through the chest and arms. 3 breaths here, breathing in. On the exhale, press out through the limbs, hug in at the core. And again, breathing in. And exhale, reaching out. And again, breathing in. And exhale, reaching out. And now breathing in. And on the exhale, float the fingertips to the top corners of the room. Keep pressing down equally through both feet. Release the head and neck and shoulders. Here we go. 3 breaths in. And exhale and reach. And again, in. And exhale and reach through the limbs. And in. And exhale and reach. Now on the inhale, turn the palms towards one another and float them a little bit closer to the head. They don't have to be right over the shoulders. Make sure those shoulders are released. And as you exhale, you're going to press down equally through both feet and you're going to reach the bottom fingertips to the top corner. So make sure your hips haven't shifted. They're still right in the middle of those feet. The head is right in the middle of the arms. We're going to take 3 breaths here. Breathing in. And exhale, keep reaching, especially with that bottom arm. And again, breathing in. And exhale, hug in that lower core, press down through the feet, reach for the fingertips. And again, inhale. And exhale and reach. And now taking those top fingertips on the inhale, reach out slowly, all the way down to the thigh. And on the exhale, reaching back, keep reaching that bottom arm. That's it. And again, breathing in to open. And exhale to reach back over. Make sure that neck is soft and the shoulders are released. And again, opening on the inhale. And pressing through the feet, hugging in at the core and reaching on the exhale. Good, and then coming back to the center, breathing in. And on the exhale, pressing, reaching out the other way. So reach that bottom arm, drop those shoulders, press down through the feet. And 3 breaths here, breathing in, and exhale, and reach. And breathing in, and exhale, and reach that bottom arm. And breathing in, press down through the feet, and reach. And now reaching the top arm as you inhale. And as you exhale, just feeling that stretch across the rib cage. Keep reaching that bottom arm. And again, inhale. And exhale and reach. And inhale. And exhale and reach. And inhale, coming back to center. And on the exhale, spread out through the arms. Reach, 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 all the way down. Beautiful. Now, you should be feeling a whole lot of work in the waist, in the back, hopefully in the core because you were hugging in the core. And of course, we were breathing as we were doing all of this. If you do this exercise every morning when you wake up, not only will it give you some energy, but it will really start to transform your posture. And when you transform and strengthen your posture, you are really setting yourself up beautifully for your entire day, no matter what your activities are. I really hope you enjoyed that. Remember, if you did, please like, subscribe, share, and definitely check out my ballerina body programs at everydayballet.com. I would love to share more ballet with you. Thank you so much for joining me, and until next time, happy dancing.